Your bones are the foundation of your body, providing structure, protecting your organs, and supporting your muscles. But did you know that some of your everyday habits could be secretly weakening them? From what you eat to how you move, these seemingly harmless routines might be putting your bone health at risk. Over time, these habits can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, making your bones fragile and more prone to fractures. Let's dive into the 7 daily habits that could be harming your bones and what you can do to protect them. First on the list, drinking too much soda. Sugary drinks, especially colas, contain phosphoric acid, which can interfere with calcium absorption. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones, and when your body can't absorb it properly, your bones become weaker over time. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume soda have lower bone density compared to those who don't. But it's not just the phosphoric acid. Soda often replaces healthier beverages like milk or fortified plant-based drinks, which are rich in calcium and vitamin D. If you're a soda lover, try cutting back and replacing it with water, herbal teas, or calcium-rich alternatives. Your bones will thank you. Next up, sitting for long periods. In today's world, many of us spend hours at a desk in front of a computer or binge watching our favorite shows. But a sedentary lifestyle doesn't just affect your posture, it also weakens your bones. Bones are living tissues that need stress to stay strong. Weight-bearing activities like walking, running, or even dancing help stimulate bone growth by putting healthy pressure on your bones. When you sit for too long, your bones aren't getting the stimulation they need to stay dense and strong. Make it a habit to move every hour. Set a timer to remind yourself to stand up, stretch, or take a short walk. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator can make a big difference for your bone health. Love your coffee? You're not alone. Many of us rely on caffeine to kickstart our mornings or power through the afternoon slump. While a cup or two a day is fine, excessive caffeine can interfere with calcium absorption. Caffeine increases the amount of calcium excreted through urine, which means less calcium is available for your bones. Over time, this can lead to weaker bones and a higher risk of fractures. If you're a coffee lover, try to limit your intake to 1 to 2 cups a day, and balance it out by eating calcium-rich foods like yogurt, almonds, or leafy greens. If you need an energy boost, consider alternatives like green tea, which has less caffeine and is packed with antioxidants. Smoking is a major enemy of bone health. The toxins in cigarettes disrupt the balance of hormones that protect your bones, leading to faster bone loss. Nicotine and other chemicals in cigarettes reduce blood flow to the bones, slowing down the production of bone-forming cells. Studies have shown that smokers have a significantly higher risk of osteoporosis and fractures compared to non-smokers. The longer you smoke, the greater the damage to your bones. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your bones and your overall health. It's never too late to start repairing the damage. Talk to your doctor about resources and strategies to help you quit. Are you avoiding the sun? While too much sun exposure can be harmful, a little sunlight is essential for vitamin D production. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones. If you spend most of your time indoors or live in a place with limited sunlight, you might not be getting enough vitamin D. This can lead to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight a day, preferably in the morning or late afternoon when the sun's rays are less intense. If you live in a cloudy area or have limited sun exposure, consider taking a vitamin D supplement after consulting with your doctor. Your bones are the framework of your body, and small changes to your daily habits can make a big difference. By cutting back on soda, moving more, and nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you can protect your bones for years to come. Remember, it's never too late to start building stronger bones. Whether you're in your 20s or your 60s, taking care of your bones today will pay off in the long run. So, take that walk, enjoy some sunlight, and fuel your body with bone-healthy foods. Your future self will thank you.